Hi everyone, it's Pam and Pam's Garden, but today actually I'm out on my front porch. I wanted to tell everyone about my cyclamen. Cyclamen are a beautiful flower that grows from a bulb, and it is a flower that will keep blooming, and then it'll die back in the summertime, and then it will come back up. And I have all these here. I have different colors. I have purplish, pink, and fuchsia, and red on my front porch. These are actually, some of them 2 years old and some a year old, that came back from winter time, and it just gives my whole front garden and front porch a beautiful just color for this time of year. So it's very cold here today. It's like in the low 50s. So I do this time of year usually buy cyclamen, unless these, like I said, are been here for a couple of years. But if I buy a cyclamen, I fixed up these cute little sleighs for little gifts to give people. And when afterwards, I'll take out my cyclamen. I'm going to show you the bulb. So this would come straight out of the pot. So here's the tubular, and I can take this now if I'm done with my little arrangement for Christmas, or Valentine's. I use these also. But the tubular will go into a bigger pot, and it'll be like one of the ones I have here on my front porch. Next year, it'll be growing just wonderfully, and this will last for years. This tubular, they're a wonderful little plant. Like I said, it'll drop its leaves. Sometimes they don't drop their leaves though. Sometimes they just keep on growing, and then they'll bloom at this time of year. Happy winter gardening, everyone. Take care. Be safe.